Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to stop Discord from lowering game volume automatically using the latest updated interface layout. First, open the Discord application on your desktop. Click on the Settings gear icon located at the bottom left corner near your profile layout. Scroll down the left sidebar menu index and click on Voice and Video. Scroll down the Audio Settings panel until you locate the subsection labeled Global Attenuation. Look for the configuration slider labeled Attenuation Strength, which controls how much background applications are quieted down when someone speaks. Click and drag the attenuation slider layout all the way down to 0% to completely disable the automatic ducking framework. Alternatively, toggle off the configuration switches explicitly labeled When I Speak and When Others Speak directly below the slider to ensure total volume stability. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.